Welcome, young chums! Dive into a delightful muddy adventure where the worlds of the farm and sea collide in the sandbox. Join us for an exciting expedition as farm animals and sea creatures come together for a fun filled day of exploration. Learn about farm life, their names and facts, and the importance of caring for animals while enjoying hands-on activities and interactive experiences. Let's dive into the video. The quaking world of ducks. Ducks have webbed feet which are adapted for swimming. This feature helps them move easily through water and makes them efficient divers. Male ducks, called drakes, often have more vibrant and colorful plumage compared to females. Nature's intriguing creatures, Raccoon. Raccoons are highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of habitats, including forest, urban areas, and wetlands. Their keen sense of hearing and night vision help them navigate in the dark. Beyond the gum trees, the koala. Koalas primarily feed on eucalyptus leaves. In fact, their diet consists almost exclusively of eucalyptus, which provides them with both water and nutrition. Koalas are known for their long naps, observing deer in their habitat. Deer have evolved several adaptations to help them survive in their respective habitats. Despite their agility and keen senses, deer have several natural predators, including wolves and big cats like mountain lions. Unraveling the mystique of llama. While llamas are often associated with spitting, they typically reserve this behavior for expressing displeasure, warning, or establishing dominance. Llamas have a three-chambered stomach similar to other ruminants. Secrets of the camel kingdom. Camels have been domesticated for thousands of years and have played a critical role in the economies of many societies. They are used for transportation and providing milk and meat. Camels have a relatively long lifespan for a large mammal. Understanding the ways of sheep. Sheep exhibit strong flocking instincts and often follow a leader, which can make them easier to manage as a group. A lamb is a young sheep that is less than 1 year old. Once a sheep reaches 1 year of age, it is referred to as a sheep. From stable to stardom, donkeys. Donkeys have been traditionally used for various tasks, including carrying loads, plowing fields, and providing transportation. Donkeys have been domesticated for thousands of years. The dark side of life, the dog. From solid colors to spots, stripes, and brindles, dogs come in a remarkable variety of coat patterns and colors. Just as humans have unique fingerprints, each dog's nose has a unique pattern of ridges beyond black and white, the panda. The giant panda is often used as a symbol for wildlife conservation and is a mascot for various environmental causes. Pandas are well adapted to living in high altitude mountainous regions and they have a special enzyme in their bodies. Introducing the powerful bull. Bulls are known for their sometimes aggressive behavior, especially during mating season or when they feel threatened. Bulls are often used symbolically. In many cultures, they represent strength, fertility, and power. The unique features of chicken eggs. Chickens are one of the most populous bird species on the planet, with billions of them raised worldwide for meat and egg production. Keeping chickens as pets can have therapeutic benefits. They are known to reduce stress and provide companionship. Creating a happy home for your rabbit. There are over 60 different breeds of domestic rabbits, each with its own unique characteristic, sizes and fur types. Rabbits use a thumping motion of their hind legs to alert others in the vicinity about potential dangers. Encounter with the graceful goat. Goats are hardy animals that can adapt to a variety of climates and terrains. They are often found in diverse environments from mountains to deserts. Goats are agile climbers and are known to climb steep and rocky terrain with ease. Behold the mighty hippopotamus. Despite their massive size, hippos are herbivores. They primarily feed on grass and have been known to travel several miles at night to graze. They have a unique adaptation where their eyes, ears, a wildlife spectacle of reindeer. Reindeer are well adapted to survive in harsh Arctic conditions, including extreme cold temperatures and limited food availability. Some populations of reindeer have been domesticated by indigenous peoples in the Arctic for various purposes. Tales from the world of rhinoceros. Rhinos are among the largest land animals. The white rhinoceros is the largest species, with males weighing up to 2,300 kilograms. Rhinos are herbivores, primarily feeding on grasses. Exploring the world of the whale shark. The whale shark is the largest fish species in the world, belonging to the subclass of Elasmobranchi, which includes sharks, rays, and skates. They have a unique pattern of light the ultimate predator. Shark Unleashed. There are over 500 species of sharks, ranging from the tiny dwarf lantern shark, which is only about 7 inches long, to the massive whale shark, which can reach lengths of over 40 feet. Unlike bony fish, sharks have skeletons ocean titans, the blue whale. Blue whales are the largest animals ever known to have lived on Earth. They can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh as much as 200 tons, approximately 181 metric tons. Their heart alone can be as large as a small car. The timeless beauty of horses. Horses have hyposodont teeth, which means their teeth continually grow throughout their lives. Regular dental care is essential for their well-being. The average lifespan of a horse is around 25 to 30 years. Although this can vary based on factors like breed, our next stop, the enigmatic cow. There are numerous breeds of cows, each with its own unique characteristic and traits. Some breeds are known for their milk production, while others are prized for their meat or for use in agricultural work. Cows are highly social animals and form close bonds with members of their herd. The black and white royalty of zebra. Each zebra's stripe pattern is unique, similar to human fingerprints. The black and white stripes are thought to act as a form of camouflage in the grassland, confusing predators such as lions and hyenas. Zebras are known for their speed and agility. Appreciate your time to watching Muddy Adventures Farm Animals and Sea Animals in Sandbox episode. Subscribe now this unique expedition where farm animals and sea creatures come together for a muddy adventure in the Sandbox. Let's make memories and embark on a journey of discovery and delight. Await our next muddy journey. Catch you later, kiddos.